Just wanted to check in on the Doomsday Payphone. It's been unpredictable as ever. It was working fine, I think, about a week ago with its weird dial tone. My one of the rubber bands that I put on it is now snapped off and it's fallen to the ground. And there's no dial tone at all. But this suggests that somebody did come out and fix this thing such that the rubber band isn't necessary anymore. Somebody came and glued what's left of the earpiece back to the handset. And remains of that white sticker. That was a "We Need More Payphones" sticker, as was this, but the ink wore off. And there was also that little bit of detritus, is what's left of what was a trifecta of "We Need More Payphones." And here's this religious literature. So I was able to make calls from this thing within the last week, but at present, no luck. And I often forget that this is a pretty sketchy little strip mall. So people hang out here sometimes and they see me interact with this phone and they start yelling at me, asking me what this is about. And I ignore them. And I dumped a lot of quarters into this thing. One of the funny qualities of this phone was if you called a toll-free number, it would connect for free, but after I think a minute or two, you'd get a message saying, "Please deposit 25 cents to continue your call." It's like such an asshole thing to do. Demand money to continue a toll-free call. Some of these phones, though, would ask for 50 cents for any toll-free number. I mean, not anyone. If it was one of the newer toll-free exchanges like 855 or 844, a lot of these old phones were never programmed to recognize those as toll-free exchanges. So they would think you were calling long distance and they would ask for 50 cents or 75 cents. Anyway, just checking in.